What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to try and fix this oil filler tube seal on the Miller 225G. It's got the Onan Performer 16 XSL. The part, an Onan part, 205-0269 right there. I got it from a place called Tractor Central here up in Wisconsin. First thing you got to do is you got to get this filler tube off. There's two bolts, one here and one right back here underneath. This one won't come all the way out. The exhaust is in the way. I got to take this back one off, and we should be able to get this filler tube off. Get the old one out. Trying to make this as easy and quick as possible. I'm actually not going to take the tube off. I'm just going to loosen up both the bolts, take the one out, and I got the old one, the old seal off this thing. I'm going to try and pull it back, slide it in, and it's low pressure, so it should just be able to slide in like a grommet, like that. And then this tube you just slide right into it, in theory. Never works out like that though. We'll see if I can get it in there. Alrighty, we got the old one out here. This is the old oil seal. And then we got the new one seated in there, all the way in the tube, completely seated. Last thing I have to do is tighten up both these little bolts here and refill it with oil and do an engine check. I'll be right back. A little cold here, but
hey everyone, I just wanted to turn the volume down here because it gets pretty loud, but all I'm really doing is I'm just looking for leaks right where I put the new seal in and everything. If you guys like this content, let me know in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. Hopefully I'm going to be able to put out a little bit more content now that I have a microphone and a decent camera to use. Most of the content should be welding related. Sometimes I'll be doing my own maintenance and stuff like that. So if you like it, please subscribe, and hope you all have a great day.